What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online with this brand new method. Now, this method is perfect for beginners. It's perfect if you don't have any money or experience, and it's a brand new method to this channel. And the best thing about this method is anyone can start this right now and make more than $1,000 per week online from home without a job. Now on the screen here, these are some students of mine that have been testing this method, and this guy on the right is getting $1,000 every single week with this particular method, and the one on the left is there is a payment for $1,600. So this method works extremely well. And as always, guys, I'm going to take you through step by step on how to make this work for you and show you exactly how you can make money with this method, and you'll understand how lucrative this really is once we get towards the end of the video. So make sure you stay all the way to the end so you can see everything step by step and understand how this works and how you can make money with this method. Now that brings me to the next step, guys. This is a 3-step process. You don't need any money to do this. I'll explain throughout the training, and there is a bonus at the end, so make sure you stay, something special for all you guys that are watching my videos. So the first thing we need to talk about in this method is a huge problem that I've found online. And a lot of you guys know that if you can find a problem and you can offer a solution, there's a lot of money involved. Now, a lot of companies now, especially local companies, are looking to market online and get their local businesses online because it's a big trend. Everyone's trying to do it. Why pay $50 per month for a billboard where you can have a website online that gets free traffic every single day? But the problem is a lot of these companies don't know how to create websites, or they create such garbage websites that people come to their page and then they bounce because the websites aren't modern, they don't function very well, they don't look very good. And it's a big problem for them. But the biggest problem they have, and this is something that a lot of people struggle with, is why don't businesses want a website or upgrade? So a lot of businesses don't even have a website and they don't want one, or they don't want to upgrade it. And the problem is it costs way too much money. It costs thousands of dollars for some of these companies to create websites, and that's why a lot of them don't bother having a website or have really garbage websites that simply don't work for them. Now, to put it into perspective, this is the kind of money that these local businesses can usually expect to pay for a website. $1,600 all the way up to $31,000. This is a quote that I got online. Here we go, $9,000. These businesses can't afford to do this. It's just too much money, especially if they're a brand new local business or they're a small local business. So what I did, guys, is I came up with a mind-blowing solution that you can do, and you can help them, and you can actually go out and make money doing this particular method. So what are the steps? Let me show you step by step. So step number 1, guys, is simple. We need to go and identify a high-profile, high-value niche that is willing to pay out some money. Not as much as we talked about before, but I'll explain in a second. So I have put a list down below of the best niches for this method. You can go and get that list. It's completely free. It's in the description, and it will have all of these local businesses that you can go and find, and I'll show you the method on how you can help them get more traffic and get more money. And this is literally my personal niche list that I use every single day when I'm doing local business methods. So all you want to do is go to this list and highlight one of these niches. Let's say the dentist niche, for example, and I'm going to copy that. Then you want to go into Google and you want to go and put the keyword in there, and then put a city. It could be Las Vegas, Colorado, Los Angeles, New York, and you want to go and find local businesses. Now, it doesn't have to be a dentist. It can be, if we go back to the list here, it can be architects, real estate agents, general contractors, attorneys, accountants, consultants, literally any business. But you want businesses that have high value customers so they're cash ready to spend money with you. So what you want to do is you just want to go and open as many websites as you can, mostly on the kind of like page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as many as you can. The ones on the first, second, third page are probably not going to need your services for this method. So go and open up as many websites as you can. And there's one thing you guys want to look for, okay? Websites that look like garbage. Websites that don't look good. So here's a few that I've found, okay? This one here is actually not too bad. It's probably a pretty good website. It just needs a bit of a modern upgrade, right? Not too bad, but I think it could be a little bit better. This one gets a little bit worse. There's just not much information here. Now, if we compare this site and this site to another one that I found, this site here is a beautiful looking site, right? It's really nice. It looks good. It feels good. It's modern. It's got quite a bit of information on it. Could have a little bit more information on it, but let's compare it to two really bad websites that I found. This one here is so bad it doesn't even load any images. It's literally got nothing on it, just a tiny bit of information down here. And then down here, this one has nothing either. This is actually a veterinary dental specialist, so I guess it's still a dentist, right? Anyway, they have nothing there. So this is where you come in. This is where you come in to help make these local businesses get more clients and get more money. And when you get them more clients and get more money, you get good money in return. Now, the good thing about the internet is I and you, we can literally go and find templates that we can go and use, and we can pitch these companies and we can say, hey, we can upgrade your website for you and stuff like that. So here is one that I found. We've got dentists, pediatricians, chiropractors, contractors, roofing, all of these templates that you can use. Now, this is basically a full-on template system that you can go and get, and you can download it, and then you can upload it to their website. So you go and outreach these companies, which I'll tell you how to do in a second. They have a template for that. But if we go down, these templates are absolutely stunning. So let's open up a few of these templates right here, and you'll see how beautiful these are. And you'll see that, you can use these yourself, and I'll show you how to do it in this training. Look how beautiful this is, a roofing website. Absolutely stunning. All the information we need, everything we need is here to update these websites and give them a better chance of making more money. And then here we go here. Here's another template. And then here's another template as well. And you can actually change them out into different niches if you like as well. Now, there are hundreds of these types of kind of products everywhere that have pre-made templates, but this is the best one that I use. Now, this one does cost a little bit of money, $23. And you might be saying, but this method, Franklin, you said you're not going to spend money. Well, you're not actually going to be spending your own money, because these companies are going to be paying you to do the work for them. So let me explain how this works in more simple terms so you can understand how the money's made. So first of all, you need to understand how simple it is to create one of these, right? First of all, these companies, you're going to outreach them. I'll show you the email in a second. You're going to basically get access to their website. They'll give you access. You can get signed up under an editor or administrator. And this is kind of what the back end will look like. And if you get this particular template program, they give you instructions on how to upload it. All you do is you upload the theme, very simple. You upload it to their website, you activate it, and then boom, this is the website, my test website. I've got a nice, beautiful dentist template right here for one of these kind of like garbage looking companies. I can just go and simply install this beautiful template on their website, and then I can edit it by doing this. Look how easy this is. I can edit the title. Oh, this is the header, so I can edit the title. I can edit this here, so we can change all of this. We can change all of this text. We can change anything we want. We can literally move this around if we like. We can move it down here. We can change anything we want. Now, the reason this is so good and the reason we can go and charge money is because usually when these companies go and try and get websites made, the companies that are charging them $30,000, $15,000, $10,000, they usually make them from scratch. You literally have these templates, and you can go out and help these companies make more money by installing these beautifully designed templates onto their website. Now, let's say, for example, it takes you maybe, a day to edit this entire template. You could probably use a lot of these images. They're probably royalty free. You edit a little bit of text. You simply just replace text with kind of, crafted around their business. But let's just say it takes you a day to edit this website, this page. You add a few more pages. Let's say it takes you 3 to 4 days to get everything up and running. You can charge $1,000 for this. Easily. You could easily just go and charge $1,000, and it took you 3 or 4 days of work to do this, because you have these beautiful templates that are already made for you. And then when you pay this $23, it's only a one-off payment. You never have to pay it again. So you can keep using it on more clients. You can keep using it, and keep using it. And these are pre-made templates. So this is a great way to go and make money online by doing this particular method. It's a simple process. Number one, you go and find the client. Number two, you go and contact these clients by going to the contact forms on their website, right? And then what you do then is you go and take my email template that I've done specifically for you, and you can get this below, and you go and email these guys, and you say, these guys don't even have a contact. Oh, you can contact it by phone, or you can go and put my email into here. You can contact these companies and outreach them and say, hey, you don't even have to say anything. I've got the template right here. You can get it below. You just fill in the blanks. And this literally will convert them into paying customers, right? So once you've done that, you've outreached them, you've done a little bit of follow-up because maybe they won't reply straight away. We will have follow-up emails in here as well. Once you do a deal, once you strike a deal with them, they'll pay you either a percentage or the entire amount. You simply, step number 3 is you go and get one of these templates, you log into their website, you upload it, you do all the details and stuff, and then boom, you have a beautiful looking website just like this, and it looks a lot better than this website here. It's a very, very good way to make money. Now, I did talk about a bonus at the end of this training. So what I'm doing, although I'm giving you lots of free links below, I'm giving you the niches, I'm giving you the emails and stuff like that, I'm opening up a personal private Facebook group for you to come and join us, where I actually give more free videos and information inside this Facebook group to help you with your search engine optimization agency, which we talked about in my last video, and also this new website agency in this video that we just talked about. So make sure you hit those links below, guys, to get this completely free bonus, because I only open this Facebook group once or twice a year. And if you want to learn more methods on how to make money online, I will leave some up on the screen, and I'll leave a completely free playlist that you can go and click right now, and it will take you through step by step how to make money online with some other methods if this method doesn't interest you. Make sure you tap subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash a like on this video, and I'll see you in one of the next videos.